Vertical arrangement, we're going to be using these ceramic boots that you'll paint to your desired colors. We're going to be using 2 roses, 3 liatris, 1 solidago, 3 carnations, 1 stem of mums, 1 pittosporum, and 2 Israeli and ruscus. Need to waterproof the container by using cellophane and cutting 1/3 brick of floral foam. We're going to start the arrangement with the liatris. Measuring 2 times the height of the container, you're going to insert the first liatris at the back of the boot, and then your other 2 are going to stair step down in front of and to the side of that first stem. When you look at the back of the container, you're going to see a V shape for your liatris. Then you're going to take your Israeli and ruscus and complement the height of the container by adding 2 stems towards the back. The next flower we're going to use is the carnation. You're going to cut your carnation about the height of your liatris, your last liatris, and put that right in the center in front of your liatris. Then you're going to stair step your other 2 carnations down towards the front of the boot, one about 2 inches shorter than the last, and then the third one 2 inches shorter than the second. Next, we're going to cut your first rose about the height of your second carnation, and you're going to insert that on the other side of your first carnation. Then you'll cut your second rose about 2 inches shorter and place that stair step down underneath your first rose. Next, we're going to add small bundles of the yellow mums just to cover those holes and add a pop of brightness. Going to be using solidago as the filler flower. We're going to insert a piece of solidago right in front of your liatris, as well as fill in any holes or gaps on each side of your arrangement. Since this is a 2-sided arrangement, you want to make sure that all sides are even. So what you do on one side of the arrangement, you want to make sure is balanced on the other. Lastly, you're going to use your pittosporum to make sure your floral foam is covered around the lip of your container so that you cannot see your mechanics.